Hi, Brainy kids. Let's start reading simple sentences using the word my. I love my dad. I love my dad. Your turn.
I love my dad.
It is my birthday today. It is my birthday today. Your turn.
It is my birthday today.
He is my brother. He is my brother. Your turn.
He is my brother.
I play with my cat. I play with my cat. Your turn.
I play with my cat.
I am counting my money. I am counting my money. Your turn.
I am counting my money.
I asked my teacher. I asked my teacher. Your turn.
I asked my teacher.
Make sentences. I make tea for my brother. I make tea for my brother. Your turn.
I make tea for my brother.
She is going to make a pizza. She is going to make a pizza. Your turn.
She is going to make a pizza.
I will make a cake. I will make a cake. Your turn.
I will make a cake.
I know how to make a bed. I know how to make a bed. Your turn.
I know how to make a bed.
I can make them laugh. I can make them laugh. Your turn.
I can make them laugh.
I make coffee for myself. I make coffee for myself. Your turn.
I make coffee for myself.
This is awesome. Keep it up.